We are breaking up his skyrocketed rating thanks to Song Hye Kyo kiss. On the evening of November 13, episode 2 of the TV series Now We Are Breaking Up aired, bringing the audience many interesting surprises. The first is that the female lead, Ha Young-yoon, that is Song Hye Kyo, gets into a lot of trouble at work and she is struggling to find a way to solve it. Meanwhile, Ha Young-yoon and Yoon Jae-juk, Jang Ki-young continue to meet each other in Seoul. It's interesting that the two have the opportunity to work together. While struggling with a new crisis in the workplace, in the fashion industry, the relationship between Young-yoon and Jae-juk become a little closer. However, this does not mean that Young-yoon is lenient and she decided to draw a straight line to avoid misunderstanding. In response, Jae-juk revealed that he would return to Paris and next day and asked, "Can you be honest with me for once?" Unexpectedly, Ha Young-juk took an initiative to kiss Jae-juk. However, with Young-yoon, this kiss doesn't mean anything. The episode closes with many emotions as the past is gradually revealed. Specifically, the picture hanging at home along with Ha Young-yoon's phone wallpaper is the photo she bought in France, taken by Jae-juk. Not only that, from his close sister, Yoon Jae-juk also knew Ha Young-yoon, the ex-girlfriend of his distant brother. It is known that in episode 2, Now We Are Breaking Up, achieved an impressive ratings. The national average is 8% and the highest is 10.5%. Notably, the rating in the segment where Ha Young-yoon gave a surprise kiss to Yoon Jae-juk was recorded at 13.34%.